Sleepy Toys, it's the 1st of December, so we get to do the countdown to Christmas. Okay, are you ready? I'm very excited. You probably couldn't tell because I'm very, very calm. Okay, so we're doing Build Your Happy Holidays. We've got the Lego Friends Advent Calendar. I'm hoping you will join me every day just for a quick video to see what's in each behind each little tiny door and to build it. So what have we got behind our panel today? Well, this year looks pretty similar to all the other years, but this bit on the top here, which is normally a bit of it's normally a scene that you can set your stuff up on. It's something entirely different. So they want you to create, share, join, and all the stuff. I'm not even looking at it because I want to open up the door. Look. Okay, here's door number 1. We're on day 1, December 1. We get to do our first build, which looks really cute and colourful, which makes me very happy after that too much grey build that I did yesterday. So, okay. All right, lots of pretty pieces. Let's get into door number 1. I am supremely excited. Hey, what is that? Supremely excited. It's even more than super excited. Okay, what have we got in our little bag? We've got just a few pieces. Isn't it? It always amazes me how you only need a few pieces to make something really, really cute out of Lego. So we've got a pink heart-shaped base plate, the little teeny one. I'm gonna have to do more things with these base plates, these heart-shaped base plates, because they're really adorable, and I reckon they're gonna be really useful. I can just think of more ways to use them. And we've got some of these little quarter pie pieces to round it off. And here we've got, this is gonna be the hangy part. So this is a hanging, these are Christmas tree ornaments, I think, just about every day. So we've got a beautiful purple and pink Christmas heart to hang on the Christmas tree with a green bit of leaf and a flower on here. This is holly, obviously. This is holly on our little heart. This is just the most gorgeous way to start the calendar. That is the sweetest little ornament ever, but I don't think I've got any ribbon. My goodness, I'm not prepared. I've got no Christmas ribbon to actually hang this on. Right, so I'm gonna get some Christmas ribbon for tomorrow. I need to write a list. Okay, so Christmas little ribbon so I can actually hang these from the Christmas tree, and I need to set up the Christmas tree too. Right, so tomorrow, hopefully all of those things will be done, and you can join me back here, similar time, to open up the second door and all of the subsequent doors every day after that until Christmas. I love Advent Calendar season. All right, I'll see you tomorrow for door number 2. Bye.